Hi, in this video we're going to check to see that the numbers that are listed in this spreadsheet are actually numbers. We're going to do that using a function called ISNUMBER, and the ISNUMBER function will return the value true or false depending on whether that the value in the cell is a number. So we're going to be looking at column B for age, and we're also going to be looking at column K for the number of hours you play per day. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to insert a new row to put my check for ISNUMBER. I'm just going to name it ISNUMBER, and then I'm going to do a function called equals ISNUMBER, open a bracket, and I'm going to select my first number there in B2, and then I'm going to close the bracket and press enter, and I'm going to copy that function down so as it fills all the way down, and hopefully all the values in that column now are true. So that's a test to check whether the values in that cell are numbers. If I do the same thing on this side, I'm going to insert a new column on this side. I'm going to put a new heading in there, ISNUMBER. I'm going to do the same thing again, equals ISNUMBER. I'm going to open a bracket and select the first one there, close the bracket. There we go, so those ones are true. So do the same thing here. Okay, there we go, so all of those values are showing as true. So just to test this, if I change this number here to a letter, you can see that that changes to false. So it's making sure that the values that are entered in those columns are actually numbers. So it's a physical way of checking the data within those cells. It's something that you're going to have to do. So that's how you check the numerical values in a cell using the ISNUMBER function.